Hello everybody, welcome back to Space Pickle Designs. Today I have a very special package from Soft Flex Company. So if you'd like to see what's inside this mystery design kit, just keep watching. Okay, so this month's design challenge kit is called Safari, and it's in this nice brown packaging with the black and white ribbon there. This was sent to me by SoftFlex to share with you guys. SoftFlex is one of my favorite companies. They're a family-based business, and they're based out of Sonoma, California. I think they're most notably known for their flexible beading wire, but they also have like craft wire, like this, which is kind of the only craft wire that I use for the most part. And these design challenge kits are $33.95, and it has everything you need to make jewelry inside other than your tools. So let's go ahead and get into this. If you'd like to check out their design kits, I'll put a link down in the description below, but let's go ahead and get started. First up is the SoftFlex Bone Color 0.019 medium beading wire, and this is the color that we're getting. It's a nice off-white bone color, and you get a whole roll of that. Next up are some findings here. We have the 2x2 crimp tubes, and these are the actual gold crimp tubes here, so these are super high quality. We also have a 12mm lobster claw clasp and 2 sets of ear wires, all in a gold color. Next, we have Tierra cast oxidized brass woven fan links, and these look perfect for the end of a pair of earrings, but you could also put them on a necklace for some little flair. Those are really cool, and they're double-sided. And they're actually, if you can see at the bottom, there's actually holes in the bottom. So you could actually put some wire through there and do something a little more unique. Oh my gosh, are you seeing this? This is a ceramic zebra charm, and this is where the hole is, right through the body of the zebra. But that is super cool. That is definitely a focal bead right there. Oh my gosh, look at these guys. These are teeny tiny giraffe beads, and the hole is from top to bottom. Look how precious these are. Oh my gosh, I don't have anything like this. Up next, we have some check glass dark travertine lucky elephant beads. So their trunks are up, and the hole is from the top down. So they're both dual-sided here. There's a different look to them. They look aged, beautiful. We've got lots of little animals here to fit that safari theme. Next up, we have a huge strand of check glass white travertine 2-hole pyramid beads here, and these are very dynamic looking, very three-dimensional. We got the 2 holes going, so there's a lot of things you can do with these. Love that finish for this theme as well. I love the travertine finish. You get a bunch of beads here. Again, we have a super long strand of check glass butterscotch opal travertine turbine beads. And this is the texture and color on them. Fits perfectly into the theme, and they're definitely not skimping out on beads here. These are full strands. I know in my local bead shop, a strand like this would be $6 to $8 at least. And you're getting the whole kit for $33.95, so that's a really good deal. Look at these guys, our classic fire polish in the 7mm size. This is orange with AB, and these are the faceted rounds. Look at that finish. I like this little addition of shine in here. It kind of breaks up all the weathered travertine finish look that we have so far. I think it'll be a nice little pop. Again, a very long strand here. We have some more fire polish here, and these are the check glass 3mm metallic green. And these are the rounds as well. I love this color. It's almost like a satin. I love bringing in those darker earth tones. This is the perfect color to do that with. Last up for the strands here, we have the check glass 20 by 9mm black ship beads. And this gives a nice little contrast into our mix here with all the earth tones. We get a nice little punch of black here to really accentuate even especially this little zebra that we have. Look how cute that looks. They're nice and smooth. And they are a flattened oval shape. Okay, last up we have this Jessie Jane's Design Elements Safari bead mix here. And this is where we're getting some of our pops of color like our reds. We can see this giant shell bead in the middle. So let's just open this up and see what we have. All right, first up we'll start with some of the focals. We've got some bicones here in a dark brown. Or a light brown, excuse me. And then we have this shell focal. Looks like it's got mother of pearl in there. And it looks like it's suspended in resin, so like a mother of pearl resin bead. And there's one hole. All right, and then we've got these two round beads here. These are a little strange. They're very lightweight, so it looks like it's almost a metallic coated plastic bead, but it gives that it gives like a tiger eye vibe, but that's just etched into the bead itself, as you can see the light flashing around it. Next, we have 4 little red tassels here with gold and findings. We have 2 different types of red round beads. These look to be maybe like a dyed howlite bead, and then these, I'm not quite sure what those are. They feel I'm not sure. I feel like they could be glass, but they're more of a maroon color and they're a matte finish. Next up, we have some big bubble bead caps here. These look to be maybe a 12. To fit a 12 size bead, maybe 12, 14, something like that. These are big, but we get 5 of those in a very gold color. These right here look to be a type of stone bead, probably a dyed gemstone bead. It's a nice brown and black color bead. And the holes look pretty good on them. I love these little guys. These are 4 little saucer beads in a reddish brown color. These are a red faceted glass bead with a little bit of gold on them. They almost remind me of a cathedral bead. They're pretty small. You get 4 of those. Next up, we have some gold stardust beads here. Nice little textural change in the mix. My mix came with these 2 beads here, but one was damaged and they are both sticking together, so I'll have to go ahead and toss those, but hopefully your mix will have beads that aren't stuck together. Next, we have some bronze little daisy spacers here. So these, it's like an antique bronze color. And I really love these. I love the texture. These are puffy. They're not like super flat. All right, we have 2 different types of crystal cubes here. One looks to be like a golden shine, and then one looks to be maybe like a hematite color, maybe a brownish hematite color. 4 of those. We have 4 little bronze coated red rondelle, glass rondelles here. Nice little pop of shimmer. We also have some gold metal barrels here. Nice little spacer bead to add to your designs. We have 2 brown with gold glass rondelle beads here. We have 2 little glass crystal hexagon beads here with like a shimmery finish on them. 2 of those. And lastly, we have some bone color with shimmer barrel beads. So we get 4 of those. All right, everyone, so here's what we got in the Safari Mystery Design Kit for this month. By the time I post this, it should be August 30th. This kit may be sold out already, but guess what? The next kit is called Halloween Hustle, so I'm super ready for that one. I'm definitely going to put that one in my cart on August 30th when it's released. But overall, I'm super impressed with this box. It's actually probably one of my favorite design kits that they've done, especially with all these little creature animal beads over here, the tiara cast findings, and all the yummy bead strands that we have here. It's a great deal for that $33.95. So if you get these bead kits, let me know what you do with them. I might tag on a little bit of a tutorial at the end of this video just so we can make a couple pairs of earrings with this kit. But let me know how you're doing in the comments down below, and I hope you're staying safe and well. Until the next one, see you later. Bye.